What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel out here in Japan. I got Britain's little baby car. Look at the license plate. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so we're up. It's 9 in the morning. The humidity is something egregious. It's demonic. But we're out here. We're gonna go get some Hawaiian food. Fun fact, I didn't know this, that Okinawa, it's like the Hawaii of Hawaii. I didn't know that before. That's how they operate. So they're Japanese, but it's like they're their own thing. There's like a lot of Hawaiian stuff out here. Oh, this car is cool.
It's cute.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty roomy.
It's not bad.
No, it's not at all. It's comfortable.
The interior is like lit.
Yeah, this is a little old and could be in a little. I could keep it in a little better condition, but it's okay.
No, I would take this.
It's serving its purpose and it's cute.
Yeah.
All right. So express.
Yeah, I'm not sure how much you want to take out, but maybe just 10,000 yen at a time. Yeah, 10,000 yen at a time works.
So I can't just use my debit card?
You can. Yeah. Oh, make sure you're not standing blocking the way.
Oh man. Oh, it's a video. All right, let's do it. Aloha. Are you cold?
Yeah, it's a little cold. You want to eat outside? You can be outside. Me and our son typically eat on the outside, and it's.
You want to eat on outside?
No, I'm just telling you a story. Eat outside, and it's a cool taking a video
you.
of Japanese scenery plus food in the car.
You gonna wear my jacket?
I can't fit in that. We're going to do that one arm.
Mom, are you sure? We're gonna be here for like 30-40 minutes.
You don't have a life jacket in the car or anything in the car?
I have a construction vest and a helmet. My hard hat. Yeah, Mom, I don't think you could survive an hour, right?
I'm cold. I'm yawning.
Just warm.
Remember, I offered. Big man offered.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is full port stuff. I don't like no ports.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do the dirty omelet probably. And pancake.
The eggs benedict, that's basically me right there. So that sounds good.
And then
Oh, they have a pancake French toast also.
Oh.
yeah,
I'll probably do a
I'm
breakfast
gonna do the
combo.
dirty omelet.
That's what I'm saying.
The local boy.
Well, I've been here quite a few times, so if you got any questions.
Every woman is in me.
It smells good.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll try it.
Yeah, I'll try some of yours.
These stuff are cute.
The aesthetic.
Okay, whose plate is this going on?
Put it on Devin's. Or yeah, little baby
It
plate.
could go on that one.
Yeah, I want to try your bacon though.
Yeah, I want my pancake.
Okay, and I want to sliver of the bacon so it's going to taste it.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the picture.
I'm not gonna choke today.
hilarious. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yes. Oh, for the tattoos.
Yeah, very nice.
All right, let's go. Beautiful day out. Raining.
Yeah, I would go back to this bakery.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks that.
A sandwich
You guys want to
with the bread.
pastry for later?
No, I need to be hungry.
That's a lot of food.
Yeah. Plus, you want it fresh.
Okay.
So maybe we could do that for breakfast another day.
Yeah,
'Cause I haven't been there.
this is some bread. This is some
Yeah.
bread. It's like,
So you call it Japanese, like a lot of floral stuff.
That's what I'm saying. The greenery
Kelly,
is like gorgeous.
so get a floral Japanese tattoo.
You trying to get another on your arm?
Let's just do it.
Show what you got.
Let's do it. I mean, I could use something here, maybe something like here. You know, just a little floral one. Maybe on the thigh, right there too.
I can see you going for your legs, neck.
Yeah.
Cause you're already there. What? Bro, encourage me to get another tat.
I could even treat you for your birthday.
You know what? If you're doing tattoos, Devin, the most I'll do to remember Japan is like a Japanese flower or like a fish.
Just a little fun.
A fish?
Oh yeah, a lot of people do the koi fish.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're known for that.
Yin yang, samurais.
The one for luck or something.
Yeah, Kelly, you could get half the yang and I'll get
I'm pretty
the other.
lucky.
I don't believe it.
Kelly, how does that sound for a sibling when you get half the yang and I get the other yang?
Oh, you know what? That would be pretty cool. We get along super well. Yeah. Okay, Devin. If you're trying to get a little matching baby tattoo or something, I'll get a little matching baby tattoo with you.
The friend that's we borrowed the car from, he has like
You
a
tryna-
full samurai on the side of his arm.
Cause I mean, since our site won't allow us to get a breakfast tattoo together, which I still feel for. Like
So-
Devin will be in the pancake. I'm the syrup.
Have you heard about that special way that he gets? Or you've heard about it in Japan? Yep. A lot of people from here go to mainland to get. I think they do it here too.
Oh, to get tattoos?
No, there's a special type of tattooing where like you hold like a rock.
Oh,
and
I've
you
seen
tap
that.
it.
What's her name? Rihanna got it. It's like a
Yeah.
tribal tattoo for. But I've seen it. They've done it in Hawaii though.
Yeah, but it's like it's a traditional Japanese thing. Yeah, Kelly,
Interesting.
if we got some time, you know.
Devin, if you want to get tattoo, we'll get a little baby matching tattoo.
Yeah, and it'll be quick. You know, like just a little thing, 45
Like a little
minutes
fish?
each. We'll be out in 2 hours.
All right, Devin. If you're trying to get a little baby fish tattoo, I'll get a little baby fish tattoo with
Or
you.
we could get the dogs, you know, one with the mouth open, one with closed.
No, bro. Then which one would be the cursed one? It can't be me.
Technically, both aren't cursed. It's just either you're taking a good look or you want to read.
Yeah, I'm taking in good luck.
All right, Albert, if you want to do that too.
No, I'd rather get little fishes because that's like better.
All right, let's do it. I'll probably just get something like on my leg.
Okay.
Or like something like a koi fish yin yang.
Yeah, we can do something a little
like
something.
the Avatar. Yep. I think somewhere like here would be cool. Somewhere visible on my leg.
It has to be in the same spot though, Devin, so we match. Something small in the same spot.
You cool with it on your leg?
I don't know, Devin.
You want to do like upper, like arm, on your back?
Legs when you're a lady, depending on how you aesthetic yourself, that's the bread and butter.
Probably my back, cause I get small tattoos. My neck, on the back of my neck. You know what, Devin? If you do it, would you want to do something on the back of your neck, or would that be too inappropriate for
No,
like?
that's too inappropriate for me. I can't.
Or what
I
about
can't cover that up.
on your spine? Could you do something like lower?
I don't know a lot of men who get spine tattoos.
Okay.
I'm cool with the shoulder though. Like maybe the shoulder one wouldn't be bad for both of you guys.
Okay.
We'll look at it because I have this tree filled out, but I don't know. Got a little something in it.
Cause yeah, my tattoos are very aesthetically pleasing. Like where they're placed, it's real
I
cute.
could ask my coworkers or friends if once you guys figure out what you want, I could suggest a place. Because there's a lot of places everywhere. I think I see one right now. Yeah, there's another one right there, Zero Tattoo.
Oh, I think I would want to Google the local shops and then just kind of see what they got to.
Yeah, there's shops pretty much around every corner.
Yeah.
Mainly just because of military. You know, military like tattoos.
Yeah, Gilly, I'll cover yours.
Oh, that's
Oh,
fine.
you
As
see
long
that
as
bike,
it's
Devin?
small, I'm fine.
That bike's the same one I have. Yeah, the black one?
Yeah. I mean, Gilly, we don't need to get it in the same spot.
Alright, you guys, get out your things.
Oh, the passwords?
Yeah.
Oh, we're already
Okay,
here.
okay.
Huh?
Yeah, it's just down the street.
Oh yeah, I put it in the other pocket.
Yeah, most things are in relatively close distance to our house.
Gilly, bad influence. I'm glad you subdued to the peer pressure, but it will be a cool story forever.
That's what I'm saying. You live once. Why not get
Yeah, I
a
mean,
permanent
saying-
tattoo on my
saying-
body?
saying you got tattoos in Japan.
Don't get a picture of me.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gilly, and when you put it on your story, everyone's gonna be like, "Wow, I want to be just like you."
Get random tattoos. Unless Burden wants to do the little breakfast thing.
No. Oh, you mean the one of us gets toast and pancakes and stuff?
I think you should do it and
What
just see
does
what
that
Arceli
mean?
does.
We all wanted to get breakfast tattoos. Like Devin would be the pancake. I would be the syrup.
Can I be French toast?
Yeah.
That's too much bread.
That's too much. I think
What?
that's too much.
Before you want it to be the chicken. The
No,
fried chicken.
Brittany could be the bacon.
You
I'd
know
be
what?
bacon.
I think you guys.
Because I'll
need
be
to
the
stop.
syrup. If you guys try to get little baby breakfast tattoos.
No, you guys, that's terrible.
And then
Don't do
for
that.
every
No, then I would be the syrup.
But don't do that. I'm serious, y'all. That's terrible.
You don't want us to get sibling tattoos?
Yeah, but not breakfast.
What? It's the most important meal of the day.
That's horrible.
You know, I don't believe that anymore. I think it,
What?
like I could skip breakfast and do lunch, and I'm still at full power.
as a big body person, representing Big Backs Incorporated.
He said Big Macs.
Yeah, no, we need our breakfast.
All right, what about you, Kelly? Do you prefer like for forever eating breakfast or having lunch?
I mean, as someone who's trying to get a big back, I should have breakfast every day. So I support people who have big backs. Because it's a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, it wasn't a big argument, but it took me and Araceli a while to figure out she's more of a breakfast person, where waiting until noon to eat food, it makes her have a headache and cranky. While I like eating my first meal around noon, so we were like, wait a minute,